Your resume is the single most powerful tool for landing that dream job. But let's be honest, writing one can be stressful, confusing, and for many of us, downright overwhelming. What if you had a tool that could help you craft a professional, polished, and tailored resume in minutes using AI? Today, I'm going to show you how to use Abacus.AI to write a winning resume, why AI is the secret weapon every job seeker should use, who benefits the most, and when it's a real game changer. Let's start with the big question. Why use AI at all? Traditional resume writing often means staring at a blank page or copying generic templates that don't really showcase what makes you unique. AI, like the resume builder within Abacus.AI, eliminates that stress. It analyzes your skills and work history, structures your information in a clear, professional format, optimizes wording with power verbs and industry-friendly language, even tailors content for specific job applications. Think of it as your personal career coach, writer, and editor working with you in real time. Who does AI-powered resume writing benefit the most? Actually, almost everyone. Students or new grads, you might not know how to highlight your school projects, internships, or part-time jobs. AI helps frame your experience in the most professional way. Mid-career professionals, over the years, your resume may have grown messy. AI helps reorganize your career story, making it clean, modern, and impactful. Career changers, switching industries can feel intimidating. With AI, you can instantly highlight transferable skills and adapt language to new roles. Executives and specialists, when stakes are high, precision matters. AI ensures you don't overlook key details while keeping the tone polished and persuasive. Now, how does it actually work with Abacus.AI? Let me show you step by step. Log into Abacus.AI and head over to the text generation tools. Select an option like Write a Resume or input your request directly. Provide some details, your job history, skills, and the type of job you're applying for. The more context you give, the sharper the AI will be. Hit generate, and in seconds, Abacus.AI drafts a professional resume tailored to you. You can refine it, want stronger action verbs, or a shorter summary. Just ask. Abacus.AI adjusts instantly. It's like having a professional resume writer on demand 24/7 at a fraction of the cost. When is it especially necessary to use AI? 3 key times. When applying to competitive jobs, AI helps you stand out with keyword optimization for applicant tracking systems. When you're short on time, instead of spending weeks rewording and formatting, AI gets you market ready in minutes. When you're unsure about wording or structure, AI eliminates guesswork and gives you confidence your resume is professional. And here's why it's important. Your resume isn't just a list of jobs. It's your brand, your first impression. Often, it determines whether a recruiter even decides to interview you. AI ensures your resume communicates the best version of you, clearly, powerfully, and persuasively. So, whether you're a student chasing your first role, a pro leveling up, or someone pivoting careers, AI gives you the edge. Try building your own resume today with Abacus.AI and turn job searching into job landing. Check the link in the description to start using Abacus.AI. And if this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and share it with someone starting their job hunt. Your dream job is waiting. Now you have the tool to get there.